YouTube, what is good, man? It's your boy JR here. We are back with another video, and as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, man, we finally got that call. I am currently headed up to Mountain Motorsports right now to drop off the bike to get, I guess, an inspection done, and I guess they're just going to go ahead and replace the parts. They mentioned an inspection, but I don't know, we'll see. We'll talk more when we get up there in Colorado, man. But yeah, so I'm excited about getting this thing taken care of, so you know we can put that behind us and move on with better content and everything. You know, just enjoying a bike and not always have that looming over our head, you know what I'm saying? So as I mentioned before, man, this is a real fortunate time, despite it being a bad thing. I mean, yeah, the recall is definitely bad. You don't want anything to happen, but I mean, it's a really good thing that it happened when it did, as far as, you know, when I need to get my braking service done, because I'm currently at 179 miles on the odometer right now, and yeah, it's time for me to get my braking service done. So with getting everything checked out right now, get a free oil change, get the break-in service done, and I won't even have to pay for it, and that's amazing, man. So I really hope that y'all I hope that it kind of falls for some of y'all the same way it felt for me. I really man, I don't know, I just put it out there in the air, you know, and I'm glad that it is falling out that way. I'm glad that the chips are falling the way they are, man. But anyway, yeah, let me know in the comment section, man, if you have a ZX-6R. It don't even matter what year. Ooh, that was a bump, for real. Don't even matter what year, man, but let me know how you've been enjoying your bike this season. You know, if you do have a 24 25 ZX-6R and you've been kind of concerned about, you know, the whole recall thing, what kind of news have you gotten? You know, because I never received a letter from Kawasaki. I did not. I went up there, you know, and I talked to them, and they just told me like, yeah, man, your bike's on the recall list. I'm like, okay, I believe. Maybe it is, maybe it ain't. Y'all just trying to get some money, or y'all just trying to cover your ass, which makes sense either way. But yeah, man, y'all let me know if y'all experience the same, you know, what your experience has been like. If you got it done already, how long did it take? Because that's another thing I'm concerned about, is how long. Oh, he just totally ran the light. See, that's what I'm talking about, man. Gotta be careful out here. How long did it take for them to fix y'all's bike, man? How long am I gonna be out of a bike? Because I don't want to be without my baby that long, you know? But this is also kind of falling around. I mean, I don't know. The chips are really just falling in a decent, you know, at a decent time. So not this coming week, but the week after, I will be going on a cruise. So I'm gonna have to. I mean, I'm gonna be away from the bike for about a week anyway. So we'll see how long they say they want to take it. We'll see how long they want to hold on to it for, man. Hopefully it won't be that long. It'd be nice if I get to ride it again and just really enjoy it before I go on my cruise. But if not, I know they're going to take care of it. And when I come back, she's going to be good to go. Fresh oil change, ready to rip. Another thing I want to make sure that they do is change this shift lamp, because right now, I mean, I did change it. Originally it was at 4,000 RPMs where the shift light will go on. Then I changed it to 8, so I think it's still at 8 right now. Yeah, let's just go on and just bump that thing on up to, I guess, red line. What's that, 15,000? Yeah, let's go on and get rid of that. I don't plan on doing anything crazy. Is that a cop just sitting over there posted in a corner? Yes, it is. Oh my God, Douglas County, what are y'all doing? Trying to catch people slipping. Not me. Not me. But anyway, yeah, it'll be good, you know, if they do happen to keep it longer than a week or two. Then at least when I come back from my trip, you know what I'm saying, I'll be able to ride and just have a real good time with it and not have to worry about that or an oil change. But those of you who watch the channel, man, I guess another thing is, you know, I don't just do car content or bike content. Let's say that I don't just do bike content. This bike content is completely new for me, so it's a new hobby, you know, and I'm enjoying it. So I figured I'll share it with y'all, just like I would, you know, anything else that I do. So of course I'm still doing car content, but haven't done any car content in a while, but that's gonna come back. Because if y'all don't know, dang, what's dude's name? I forgot the CEO's name. Canisius is coming back for as a CEO of Dodge. So, you know, car content is definitely gonna be picking back up as you know, we get more news on that as well. So that'll be fun. But not only that, man, I do tech. I'm a tech enthusiast as well. So, you know, y'all gonna be seeing some videos of me unboxing some new devices. Galaxy Z Fold 7 is coming out. Y'all gonna be seeing an unboxing of that coming up shortly. I already got that on pre-order. Got the 1 terabyte joint in shadow blue. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that Galaxy Z Fold 7, man. I know I got a lot of iPhone users in here probably. Pretty sure I got some Android users too. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about that Galaxy Z Fold 7 that's coming out. I'm looking forward to trying it out. I have a Z Fold 6. That outer screen is hella narrow though, man. I mean, I tried to love it, but I couldn't. So my Android, my other phone that I have is S25 Ultra, you know, and that's pretty much my main secondary device that I use. But I really like the Fold, man. So I'm really hoping that this 6.5 inch display on this Fold 7, you know, changes my mind and really helps reignite my love for folding devices in general. Yo, this road right here got some twists and turns on it that I really like. But yeah, man, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna holler at y'all when we get to Mountain Motorsports and you know, fill y'all in and let y'all hear what they're talking about. Or I'll just fill y'all in and then we'll say our, you know, little goodbye to the ZX-6R for the moment. For the moment. Just until she, you know, gets everything fixed the way that it needs to be fixed. And for those of you who be watching my channel, man, watching my videos, yo, I am fully geared up today. Well, 85% gear, because I don't have any jeans on. I don't have any riding jeans on. But yep, helmet, gloves, jacket, boots, all the gear that I have. Really contemplating not wearing a jacket because I'm on back roads and I'm just chilling. But you know, some of y'all be fussing at me about not wearing gear. Anything could happen. You are absolutely right at any time. So it's better to be safe than sorry. Once again, I call myself trying to get, hey, you're getting kind of close back there. Call myself trying to give these damn mirrors another try, because they look cool. Can't see shit out of these mirrors, man. When I get my baby back, I'm gonna switch them back, man. I mean, yeah, they look cool, but god dang. Guess you get what you pay for. I mean, I can see, but not for real, for real. Glad it ain't raining right now. Shit, I know later on it's gonna be raining. I don't know, it could be rain at any point. South has been ridiculous lately with weather, bruh. It's just been all over the place. Bruh, at some point I'm going to catch up with some bikers and go to a meet. I just feel like the universe is just trying to give me a little bit more time, some solo time, to get really acclimated and comfortable with my bike before while I'm riding with a group of people, which I completely understand. Universe, take control. Because I don't want nothing to happen. I swear I don't. So, you know, because y'all didn't see it. I didn't even post a video. I didn't even try. I mean, but I did try to go up to this mob ride. Man, it was a drive too, y'all. If y'all familiar with Atlanta, man, I kind of live out in the Six Flags area, and this meet, they met downtown at a location downtown Atlanta, rode out to Stone Mountain area to meet up with some more people, I'm guessing, and then they rode back to Atlanta. And I went all of those places, but I was like a couple hours behind. But I think I did that on purpose too, because I didn't want to really get caught up in, you know, a whole bunch of bikers and all of that stuff like that. But yeah, when I did that, man, I mean, it was like, that was my first time even riding downtown Atlanta, man. I mean, I wanted to show y'all, I swear I did, but there was literally nothing on the footage. And I was just like, yeah, this ain't it. I'm not gonna post this. So yeah, definitely gonna see some bike meet videos coming up, some bike meet content, and riding out with some more people, man. But I just gotta, I don't know. I just feel. I think I just got to get more comfortable with riding solo first too, and maybe riding with one other person, and really learn how to do that before I get in the crowd. I mean, everything happens for a reason, right? Yeah, everything happens for a reason. I should have went through that lot right there, and I could have. It's okay. It's okay. Brother. Right, we are here. I have no clue where to go, because this is like one of my first times coming up here outside of I know this service area is back here though, so alright y'all, this is it, man. She's going away for a little bit. It's cool though, because I ain't got to pay for my break-in service. Yeah, y'all, she's going away for a little bit, but she will be back, and everything is gonna be great. Ooh, I'm gonna miss you so much. We're dropping her off right here. They didn't give me an ETA of when I could be able to pick it up, but it is what it is. So if you like the video, man, hit that thumbs up button, drop a comment below, let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification. Recall repairs are about to begin now. So when we get it back, man, we'll be able to rip and run. I'll holler at y'all on the next one, man. Until next time, peace.